The Baby was the #1 streaming artist until about a couple weeks ago. He took a nasty spill on stage and said some wild stuff about the LGBTQ community during a concert in Florida. Now, you know I go hard in the paint, but even I saw that shit and was like, God damn, The Baby. Ooh, he pushed the button, didn't he? He pushed the button, punched the LGBTQ community right in the AIDS. He once shot a nigga and killed him in Walmart. Oh, this is true. Google it. The Baby shot and killed a nigga in Walmart in North Carolina. Nothing bad happened to his career. In our country, you can shoot and kill a nigga, but you better not hurt a gay person's feelings.